Hello Adobe Express users. Need to resize elements to fit your design perfectly? Let's do it in just few taps. First, open Adobe Express and select your project. Tap on the icon you want to resize. Use the corner handles to manually adjust the size or enter specific dimensions for precision. Drag and position it exactly where you want on your design. Once you are happy with the size, finalize your design and export. If the icon looks pixelated, try using a high quality vector icon or resizing it proportionally to maintain clarity. Do you prefer minimal icons or bold in your designs? Let me know in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.